Okay, hello my dear student. Okay, I hope you all can see the board. Today this video is for class 8, and yes, in the last video we talked about the square, and yes, today also we will be going to do the same chapter, square and square root, that is chapter 6 I guess. And yes, uh, let's start today's video. Yes, so this is the question that is given in exercise 6.1. Okay, so this I hope you all can see this properly. Okay, so this is the first question that is given there in this exercise. So today what I am going to do is I'll just choose some few questions that is given there in the exercise. So I'll choose some questions and we'll just discuss that question. I'll just discuss that question, how to solve that questions, and we will talk some more about the square and the square root today. Okay. Okay, this is the first question that you have here in exercise 6.1. This is the question number 1, where it has been, if you have a book right now, then you please open this and just go through this question. So here in the question it's given that what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers. Okay, so there are some square number given there in the question, so you have to just uh, first you have to not sorry there are not the square number, there are some numbers given there in your question, and you have to find the square of that number. Okay, but here in this question it has been, you have been asked to give the answer that what will be the digit on the unit place. Okay, so unit 10 and 100 place value that you already have done in the earlier classes, and you all know that how to do that, and you all know what is unit the unit digit or unit the position of the digit that is that has a unit on 10th and 100. Okay, so the number, suppose I'll just give my own number here, I'll just choose my own number here to explain you properly. Okay, so then later on we'll do we'll do the number that is given there in the book. Okay, so here I'll just give you one simple example by using some simple number. Okay, so here the most commonly used number is 2. Okay, so if I or some questions are there where you have been asked to find the square of 2, so you all know that the square of 2 is always 4, right? So 2 square is equal to 4. Okay, so if you are asked to find the square of 6, then square of 6 is 36. Okay, and if you are asked to find the square of 10, then square of 10 is 100. See, the square number 4, 36 and 100, they all are the square number, right? And these are 2, 6 and 10. These are the number that we have chosen here to find the square of the given number 2, 6 and 10. And the answer you got from here is 4, 36 and 100. So यहाँ जुन चाहिँ क्वेसन दिएको छ, यो क्वेसनलाई चाहिँ तिमीले के भनेको छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जब तिमीले कुनै पनि नम्बरको स्क्वायर फाइन्ड आउट गर्छ नि, जस्तै 2 को स्क्वायर फाइन्ड आउट गर्दाखेरि यु गट 4, 6 को फाइन्ड आउट गर्दा 36 पाए नि, त्यो जुन चाहिँ स्क्वायर जुन चाहिँ एन्सर आउँदैछ द्याट स्क्वायर नम्बरको युनिट प्लेस. ओके, सो दिस इज द सिंगल डिजिट नम्बर, so it won't be having any unit digit. This is the 2 digit number, so it will have a unit and 10, and this is the third, this is the 3 digit number, 3 digit number square number. So here you have unit, 10 and 100. Okay, all you have to do is to just check for we'll just leave this number and we'll just talk about 6 and 10 and square number 36 and 100. So the unit place is carrying 6 here, and here the unit place is carrying 0. Okay, so unit place is carrying 0. So by suppose if you are told to find the I'll just give you question number 3, and you are asked to find the okay, not 3, we'll just go with another number, not 3, I'm choosing 4. Okay, so let us find the square of 4. Yes, so the square of 4 is 16. Okay, and suppose now you know that the square of 4 is 16, but if the same question here is what will be the unit digit of the square number 4? What will be the unit digit of the square number 4? So square number 4 को unit digit, no, not square number, 4 को स्क्वायर जुन चाहिँ निस्किन्छ त्यो स्क्वायरको चाहिँ युनिट प्लेसमा चाहिँ नम्बर कति बसेको हुन्छ भने चाहिँ नाउ यु नो दैट 4 को स्क्वायर त 16 हो, सो युनिट प्लेसमा 6 हुँदो रहेछ. द सिम्पल एज दैट. ओके, सो 9, सपोज इफ यु चुज 9 एन्ड यु आर टोल्ड टु फाइन्ड द स्क्वायर अफ 9, देन द आन्सर कति हो तिमीलाई थाहा छ, एन्ड व्हाट विल बी द नम्बर दैट इज देयर फर अ युनिट प्लेसमा कति हुन्छ भने चाहिँ वी हैव 1. ओके, सो यो क्वेशन तिमीलाई अलिकति ट्विस्ट गरेर सोधेको छ. यु आर टोल्ड टु फाइन्ड द स्क्वायर अफ नम्बर, बट also you are also asked to find the number that will lie on the unit position. Okay, so here are the numbers 81, 272 and 799, right? So these are the number that has been given there in the book. So you are asked to find the digit that is placed for the square of this number. The square first, and then you have to give the answer. So what will be the number that is placed on in its unit? Okay, so see, अब तिमीलाई यो क्वेशन आएको छ अरे, अनि तिमीलाई युनिट प्लेसको मात्रै what will be the unit डिजिट अफ द स्क्वायर मात्रै सोधेको छ भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जस्ट तिमीले यु डोन्ट ह्याभ टु फाइन्ड द स्क्वायर. सो यु डोन्ट ह्याभ टु डु 81 इन्टु 81 कति हुन्छ, एन्ड यु डोन्ट ह्याभ टु डु अल द्याट मल्टिप्लिकेसन हियर. ओके, सो आई जस्ट सो यु 81 इन्टु 81 कति हुन्छ फर यर सेटिस्फ्याक्सन. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइङ टु मल्टिप्लाई दिस. ओके, सो इट विल बी समथिङ लाइक द्याट, राइट? Okay, so yes, and now if you add it, then you are getting 6561. Okay, our main purpose here is to not find our main aim here is to not to find the square of any given number. So you are lots of numbers are given there, but हामीले स्क्वायर फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु भनेको हैन. हामीलाई हाम्रो 81 को स्क्वायर 6561 हुँदो रहेछ. स्क्वायर अफ 81 चाहिँ 6561 हुँदो रहेछ. हाम्रो मेन फोकस चाहिँ यो नम्बरमा छ, दैट इज युनिट प्लेसमा चाहिँ कति आउँछ भनेर, राइट? So you can give your answer without taking or getting the square. See, it's very easy. So how will you know that? All you have to do is 1 into 1. That will come as 1, right? 1 into 1 will be 1. So same goes for this question also. 2 into 2, 4, and 9 into 9, that is 81. So you will write 1. So these are the numbers. So whatever the square number may be. Okay, so now I hope that you have more or less understood what I am trying to make you understood what Okay, so I hope that whatever we have done here, अब त तिमीले धेरै idea, you got the idea of square number and its overall result. So every number को square जब हामी निकाल्छौँ त्यसको overall के भन्छ the number that you will get after the multiplying that number to get the square number. So त्यो नम्बरमा के कुरा चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ हुनु पर्दैन त्यो चाहिँ याद भयो होला. Okay, so see, so when I'll just give you some more idea on square numbers and its resulting square number. Okay, so like this is very important, so please do watch this carefully. Okay, so I'm just giving you one more idea, okay, that you are going to use in the next exercise or in question. So whenever you multiply 1 with 1, okay, that is 1 square, you will get 1, right? So when you multiply 2 with 2, that is 2 square, you will get 4. So when you multiply 3 with 3, that is 3 into 3, 3 square, you will get 9, right? So one thing that you need to know here is that you must have noticed here that the first number 1 is getting 1 as its square, 2 is getting 4 as its square, but in between 1 and 4 there are some number that we are leaving behind, and those numbers are 2 and 3, right? So 2 and 3, okay. So when you jump to the next answer, that is 4 to 9, you are left out with 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So I'll just write here those number which we are not having here is 2 and 3, here is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So likewise, when you try to get the square of 4, you will get 16, right? So the number which has been left in between 9 and 16 are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So these whole number, this much of numbers are those numbers which you will never get for any square number. Okay, so what does that mean? That means, okay, I'll just show you in a thorough matter that square of 5 you will have 25, square of 6, right? So 6 square of 6 will be 36, square of 7 will be 49, square of 8 will be 64, and 9 square of 9 will be 81, right? So when you come to 0, square of 10, you will get 100, and when you come with another number, that is 11, so 11 ko hernu parदैन किनभने 11 ko you will just choose this one, okay? So 1 into 1 you will get 1, right? 1 to whatever is the answer, but the unit place ma 1 huncha. For example, 1 to 1, so square of 11 is 1 to 1, so you are getting 1 here, right? So whole thing again start with 1, 4, 9 and 6, right? So everything will start from the beginning. So 11 ko 1 to 1 bhayo bhane 12 ko square of 12 it will be कति हो 144 e. So यो कुरा चाहिँ तिमीले बुझ्नु पर्यो 14. So the next number 13 को स्क्वायर जति सुकै होस्, right now we don't know the square of 13 square, but जति सुकै होस् the unit place मा 9 हुन्छ, and the answer is I think I guess 196 the correct one, right? 196 190 not sorry 169. So you will have a 9 at the unit place. So likewise 14 को स्क्वायर पाउनु पर्यो भने जति नै होस्, बट तिमीले 6 undoubtedly you will get the 6 as in the unit place. Okay, so यही हो एउटा तिमीलाई बुझाउने एउटा where the some numbers will be left over and those number will never come in the unit place. त्यही कारणले 2 3 5 6 7 8 10 11 12 13 14 15 will never come. So हामीले यहाँ है up to yes so 0 लाई हामीले स्किप गर्यो भने, किनभने 0 sometimes we are using but 10 त आउँदैन, so you will never have a 10 on its unit place. So likewise 11 त अब तिमीहरुले 1 ले गरिहाल्यो, 12 2 ले, 13 3 ले, 14 4 ले भइहाल्यो, बट यहाँ तिमीहरुको 10 मा कन्फ्युज भयो भने चाहिँ you will never have a number like 1210 as a, because here it is 10, so this will not count as a square number. So you will never have a square number having 10 on its last 2 digit. त्यही भन्नु खोजेको. सो द रेस्ट इज तिमीले बुझ्नु पर्यो व्हाट इज स्क्वायर नम्बर. सो यही कुरा तिमीको सेकेन्ड नम्बर क्वेशनमा भनेको छ ल तिमीलाई. सो यु हैव टु ट्राई द अदर क्वेशन्स अल्सो वे यु हैव बीन आस्क्ड. सपोज तिमीलाई र्यान्डमली 1210 स्क्वायर नम्बर हो भनेर सोध्यो भने तिमीले no. So you don't have to check whether, you don't have to go with the multiplication to find whether this number is a square number or not. So simply तिमीले 10 ले गर्दाखेरि यो छैन. सो तिमीलाई र्यान्डमली 1 2 1 3 1 देख्छ अरे. सपोज 1 2 1 3 1 देख्छ अरे. सो बिकज युनिट प्लेसमा 1 छ, सो यो चाहिँ तिमीहरुको डाउटफुल हुन्छ. तिमीले यसलाई हामीले सिधै दिस इज नट अ स्क्वायर नम्बर भन्नु सक्दैन. ओके, बिकज अफ द प्रेजेन्स अफ 1 तिमीले त्यसमा चाहिँ तिमीले के गर्नु पर्यो, यु हैव टु चेक इट. किनभने यु आर नट स्योर वेदर दिस नम्बर इज स्क्वायर नम्बर अर नट. बट 12 एन्ड 10 मा त तिमीको डाइरेक्टली यु तिमीले आँखा चिम गरेर स्योर भइहाल्नु पर्यो दैट दिस इज नट अ स्क्वायर नम्बर. ओके, सो लाइक भाइ सपोज तिमीलाई 1 2 1 0 4 देख्छ अरे. सो 4 तिमीको संख्या छ नि त स्क्वायर नम्बरमा. सो this can be a square number. So you have to check, and check गर्दा के गर्छ, you just simply multiply. So 12 12 144 हुँदैछ भने it's very true. So you will go with 20 in 20. So 20 in 20 गर्यो भने 400 हुन्छ. So quite small bar. So you will jump up with the 50 50 हैन. So 50 into 50 गर्यो भने 2500. Again yes कम्ती हुँदैछ. You can try with the next number, that is 100 100 गर्दा हुन्छ. सो त्यसरी you can check it whether the number is square number or not. Okay, so एउटा यो तरिका यो हो तिमीहरुको square number. If you are given a number to identify whether the given number is square or not, so तिमीले यो तरिकाबाट square number हो हैन छाड्नु सकिहाल्छ ल. Okay, so one thing that you need to know here is that whenever you go for identifying the square number, you always have to remember this. If a number carries a single zero, okay, so suppose you take any number 2 3 4 0, okay. So if you are told to, if you are asked to find whether 2 3 4 0 is a square number or not, so त्यतिबेला के गर्छौ तिमीले. Okay, so simple way तिमीले के गर्छौ, you start multiplying the numbers, right? So multiplying the numbers गरेर you start checking the whether the numbers is number is square number or not. But in a short way, यो फर्स्ट को नम्बर जस्तो मैले अघि तिमीलाई भने यो युनिट प्लेस को नम्बरलाई हेरेर पनि you can just give your answer properly. Okay, so correctly, I mean to say correctly. So 0, the presence of 0 here in this number, it gives us an idea that it is not an square number. Okay, so this is you always have to remember this. To be an square number, you always need to have to be an square number, you always need to have either duita 0 or you need to have How many 0? 4, or you need to have more than 4 means you need to have a 6 number of 0. Okay, so यहाँ को अगाडिको नम्बर जति नै होस् 6 3 4 5 0 र 6 छ भने यो यहाँको नम्बरहरु जुन चाहिँ लास्ट नम्बरले काउन्ट गर्छ whether it is a square number or not. If you have a single only 0 here, then it is not a square number. If you have 3 number of 0, it is not a square. Or you have like कतिवटा 7 वटा भयो भने पनि it is not 0, or 9 वटा भयो भने पनि so it is not a 0. So यो एउटा कुरा भन्नु पर्ने थियो स्क्वायर नम्बरको बारेमा. सो तिमीलाई यो पनि एउटा आइडिया भइहाल्यो. So to when or how to identify the given number is a square or not. Okay, so beside that square number we will just talk about the this Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so we are going to check the Pythagorean triplets. So now talking about this Pythagorean triplets. Okay, you are told to find the Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so talking about the triplets भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि triplets भनेको तिमीहरुको तीनवटा number. So there is a set of number, okay, that you have to find. A set of number. अब जस्तै अब तिमीलाई यो क्वेशनमा 6 is one of the number भनेको छ. So rest you have to find other two numbers, the other leftover two numbers. Okay, so 6 त तिमीलाई देख्छ. So अब 6 बाइक चाहिँ अर्को दुईटा नम्बर कुन हो त्यो फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्छ. But Pythagorean triplets भएकोले गर्दाखेरि अब what do you mean by Pythagorean triplets? Okay, how it Pythagorean, why it is called, why we are calling this as a Pythagorean triplet हुन्छ. If you remember Pythagoras theorem मा तिमीलाई थाहा छ कि छैन, there is a formula where you have to use h square of h, that is square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. यो फर्मुला सबैलाई थाहा छ नि है. Okay, so this was used in the Pythagoras theorem. So every term that is used here is hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So सबैको स्क्वायर भनेको छ. So हामीले के गरेको थियो, यसको स्क्वायर p जति नै होस्, p को भ्यालु जति नै होस् त्यसको स्क्वायर अनि b को भ्यालुको स्क्वायर दुईटालाई जोड्यो भने चाहिँ हाइपोटेन्युस को भ्यालुको स्क्वायर पाउँछ भनेर भनेको थियो, राइट. सो सेम यस्तै तिमीले यहाँ पनि फलो गर्छ. यहाँ चाहिँ तिमीले के फलो गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 2m plus m square minus 1 लाई जोड्यो भने चाहिँ m square plus 1 निस्किन्छ. ओके, सो you can relate this with the Pythagorean formula that we have been using for a right angle triangle. Okay, so 2m plus m square minus 1 is equal to m square plus 1. See, I'll just show you. But right now we don't know m भनेको कति हो भनेर हैन. So हामीले के गर्छ, we will try to give this m as m लाई not only m, 2m यो फर्स्ट को नम्बर जुन चाहिँ छ 2m लाई हामीले 6 मानौं. किन 6? बिकज क्वेशनमा 6 भनेर दिएको छ. किताब छ भने किताबमा हेर क्वेशन नम्बर 1 मा क्वेशन 6 एउटा the only number that is given here 6 भनेर दिएको छ. So if it is 6 then m will be 6 by 2. So when you cancel this you will get 3. That means m को भ्यालु हामीले 3 निकाल्दै छ, राइट. सो त्यसरी नै m square minus 1 को भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्यो भने m को भ्यालु 3 भनेर तिमीलाई थाहा भयो. So you will write m square minus 1 or is equal to 9 minus 1 भयो यो 8, राइट. त्यसरी नै फेरि m square plus 1 छ. So you will write 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So now now you know this number. You have 6 that is given by the question. You have 8 which हामीले अहिले गरेर पायौं, and you have 10. So 6 वटा नम्बर आयो. अब यो 6 वटा नम्बर सरी 3 वटा नम्बर आयो. So 6, 8 and 10 यो चाहिँ ट्रिप्लेट्स हो कि हैन हामीले हेर्नु पर्यो. ओके, अब यो म रफ गर्दिएको ल. सो यो रफ गरेर म यहाँ जस्ट हेर्छु है. So हामीले स्क्वायर 2m लाई हामीले कति भनेको थियो 6. So we will just write 6 square m square minus 1 कति आथ्यो? कति आथ्यो? It was 8, right? So हामीले यसलाई पनि 8 square लेखौं. So why we are doing this square किन लेख्नु किनभने अघि मैले भने नि तिमीलाई पाइथागोरन फर्मुला त्यही नै हामीले गरेको. So 6 square 8 square is equal to m square plus 1 कति आथ्यो? 10 square. अब यो मिल्यो भने 6, 8, 10 लाई हामीले पाइथागोरन ट्रिप्लेट्स हो भन्नु मिल्यो. So what is this? 6 square of 6 is 36, square of 8 is 64 and square of 10 is 100. 36 मा 64 जोड्यो भने 100. So हाम्रो यो दुईटा जोड्यो भने 100. यहाँ अलरेडी 100 छ. So yes, it is a right answer. Whatever you have got for whatever you have choose for the triplets. So 6, 8 and 10 are the triplets. Pythagorean triplet. You can write Pythagorean triplets. Okay. So यसरी तिमीहरुको rest of the questions पनि गरौ. You have 14 given here. So you can choose this 14 as 2m equals to 14. So simple sir, 2m equals to 14 लेखा. So m equals to 14 by 2 लेखा. You will get 7. So m को value 7 आउँछ. Okay. So similarly तिमीले you can do the rest of the questions that is given in your book, and you please send me that work early as possible. Okay. So I'm just winding up this video right now. So अलिक लामो भयो जस्तो लाग्यो. So भए पनि you please go on watching my other videos also for your class, and एकपल्टमा बुझ्यो भने you please go and repeat the video. यसलाई पज गरेर तिमीले you can just do it so that you can get what I have trying to understand, make you understand what is there in the question. Okay, so till then so we will very soon meet in the next video. So till then do take care of yourself and your family, and do study well at home. Okay, so bye.